So let's start with routing algorithms, and we can classify different routing algorithms into three different types. Two are listed on this slide. One is global or decentralized information. So either the routing algorithms are global in nature or are decentralized. So when we say global, so this means all the routers have the complete topology information, right? It means router A will have all the information to reach all the other routers in a topology, in an arrangement. So the class of algorithms that belong to this category are known as link state algorithms. Then we have decentralized. Here we have the local information. So here we have local info. Then it says decentralized. Means that a router only knows about its neighbor that are directly connected with the router. So it follows an iterative process to compute and exchange the information with the neighbors, and the class of algorithms in this category are called distance vector routing algorithms. Then we can also classify the routing algorithms into static or dynamic. Static means the route changes happen slowly, means routes are changing slowly over time, whereas the dynamic means that routes are changing more quickly, means there are periodic updates in response to some link cost changes. So there are frequent changes in the routing tables. There is another category classification which is based on the congestion in the network. So we call it load sensitive. Load sensitive or load insensitive. Load sensitive means that the routing algorithms taking into consideration the network congestion, and depending upon the congestion of the link, the routing algorithm decides or selects a path to reach a specific destination, right? Whereas this load insensitive routing algorithms means that these routing algorithms are not taking into consideration the congestion in different links in order to reach a specific destination. And by the way, most of the routing algorithms at the moment that are being used in the internet are load insensitive. For example, you must be familiar, you have implemented these routing algorithms in your lab. For example, RIP, open shortest path first, or maybe we talk about the de facto protocol for routing over the internet, border and gateway protocol. All these protocols are load insensitive, means these protocols do not take into consideration the congestion on the links to reach from source to destination. So basically we can have three different types of classification. Either the routing algorithms are global, where each and every router has the complete topology information, the information to reach all the other nodes in the network, or it's decentralized, where a router only knows about its neighbor that are directly connected, means we have this local information. And these routing algorithms maybe are managing the routes that are changing very slowly over time, means they are static in nature, or the routes are changing very quickly, means there are periodic changes over the there are periodic changes in the links. So this means this routing algorithm would be dynamic. And there is this third category. So this is one. This is classification number 2. And here we have this third classification that is based on load sensitive or load insensitive routing algorithms, where the congestion is either taken into consideration or not. And by the way, the latter is the case with most of the routing algorithms that are being used, or routing protocols that are being used over the internet nowadays.